before, now, and later. Let's learn 3 little words that help us talk about time. Is, was, and will be. It was an egg, so small and round. Now it is a chick with tiny sound. One day it will be a bird that flies, up above the trees and skies.
He was a baby, small and sweet. Now he is a boy with running feet. He will be a pilot in the sky, zooming fast and flying high.
It was a seed deep in the ground. Now it is a sprout just peeking out. It will be a tree so big and tall, with leaves and branches over all.
It was a caterpillar, slow and shy. Now it is a cocoon, quiet and dry. It will be a butterfly, just wait. With wings so bright, it will look great.
It was some snow, so cold and white. Now it is a snowman, big and bright. Soon it will be a puddle. Oh no, goodbye snowman, time to go.
A puppy was so small and new. Now it is big, it barks at you. One day it will be strong and fast, chasing balls and running past. Is now, we use it today. Was is old, it went away. Will be means, it's yet to come. Like tomorrow's rising sun. This flower was a tiny seed. Now it is a sprout indeed. It will be a flower bright, yellow, pink, or purest white. Is now, we use it today. Was is old, it went away. Will be means, it's yet to come. Like tomorrow's rising sun. The boy was small, he crawled around. Now he's jumping off the ground. He will be a pilot.